Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Shopify with Amazon. Now, this is an easy tutorial. All you need to do, guys, you want to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake in this process. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, of course, you want to log into your Shopify store. Now, if you are not signed up for the Amazon affiliate program, you guys need to do that because there is no way to import products from Amazon if you don't sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Okay, now it's very easy, guys, to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. It will take like 2 minutes or 1 minute. Okay, you just need to search for, let me show you guys what you need to search for to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Okay, now just open a new tab and search for Amazon Associates. Okay, and then you want to click on this. As you can see, the second result, this is an ad. Okay, Amazon.com Associates or Amazon Associates, click on it, and then it will take you guys to this page. As you can see, it says here recommend products and earn commissions. Now you want to click on sign up, and then you want to follow the steps. You just need to use your Amazon account information like your email and password, and after that they will ask you guys, if they ask you for a website where you are going to promote the products, just add there. If you guys don't have a website, you can add the Facebook page, you can add the YouTube channel. Okay, even if the YouTube channel doesn't have any videos, they accepted me into the Amazon affiliate program even though I don't have any videos on my channel. Okay, I added a link of channel with no videos. Okay, now after you sign up, guys, for the Amazon affiliate program, this is how it's going to look. Now I'm going to show you guys after you sign up what you are going to see. This is what you are going to see after you sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Here you will see your earnings, and here, as you can see, tools. You can see here a lot of things. Now I'm going to be explaining all this to you in a few seconds. Now, to connect, like I said, to connect Amazon like Shopify with Amazon, all you need to do, guys, you want to go to Shopify, your Shopify store. Just log into your Shopify store. And yeah, after you log in, guys, as you can see here, this is a new Shopify store that I'm just using for this video. Okay, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. And then here, what you guys need to do, you want to search for an app that will help us import products or connect Shopify with Amazon. Okay, now you just need to search for this app. It's called Sprada. Okay, that's the name of the app. It's called Sprada. Okay, this is the name. Okay, it's called Amazon Importer Sprada app. It says here dropship Amazon products or earn affiliate commissions. Now you can either dropship Amazon products directly on your Shopify store, or you can import like Amazon products to your Shopify, and instead of the like customer will not be able to see like something like buy now button, they will see their view on Amazon, and if they click on view on Amazon inside your Shopify store, it's going to redirect them to Amazon to complete the purchase. Now after they buy the product, you are going to earn a commission. Okay, that's why I told you guys to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Now I'm gonna explain how this works in a few seconds. Okay, now like I said, you want to click on install. Okay, you want to install the app, and yeah, after you click on install, you want to click again on install. All right, now as you can see here, guys, you can see here 3 different steps. As you can see, three steps, which is the integrate code, join Amazon, import products. Anyway, now what you guys need to do first, you want to click on settings here, as you can see in the top left, and then here where it says affiliate or associate ID, you want to go to your Amazon associates. Okay, that's why you need, guys, to sign up for the Amazon associates. Okay, you need to join Amazon affiliate program. Now after you sign up, you are going to see this store ID here in the top. As you can see, this is your store ID. Okay, now copy this store ID, and you want to go back to Sprada, and then you want to paste that exact store ID here, and then make sure you click on save. As you can see, it says here updated successfully. That means you have added your associate ID, and now each product you import to your Shopify store from Amazon, it's going to be trackable. You are going to earn affiliate commissions each time someone clicks and buys the product. Now I'm gonna explain how this works. Now this is very important so that any product that you will import to your Shopify will be trackable. Okay, now like I said, I'm gonna explain how this works in a few seconds. Anyway, now you want to click on home. Okay, home in the top left, and then this is where it says here product, Amazon product link. You want to go to Amazon. Okay, just open your normal Amazon account, and then you want to search for the product that you want to import to your own Shopify store. Now let's say that I want to import, let's just search for a product that I want to import to my Shopify store. Let's say that I want to import this product. Okay, now all you need to do, guys, you want to copy the URL in the top. As you can see, this is the URL. You just need to copy it, right click and then click copy. Okay, now after that, what you guys need to do next, you want to go back to Spreader and you want to paste, that's where it says here product, Amazon product link. You want to paste the link here, and then you want to click on add product. Now as you can see, the product is being imported to our Shopify store, as you can see here. Now this exact product will be imported to our Shopify. Now if you click on products, you will find that exact product here. If you click on preview on an online store, as you can see, this is the product. Of course, you can change, like the product is imported. As you can see, product added successfully. Now, like I said, if you click on products, you are going to see the product here. If you want to change something, you don't like long titles, you can always customize this as you want. For example, I'm going to delete, I'm going to like add a small title. Now you can also change the pictures if you don't like, if you want to change the pictures to something else. As you can see here, if you want to change it to this one or this one, like the default picture. Okay, the big picture you see here is the one that will be shown to people. That's going to be the first picture. Okay, so the price here, you can always change the price if you want. You can customize this as you want to wait. After you are finished, you want to click on save, because everything here is already corrected by the spreader. Okay, just click on save and that's it. Now the product is imported successfully to your Shopify. Now all you need to do, guys, is to promote these products. Okay, you want to find people that will be interested in this product. Okay, now I'm going to go back to spreader. Okay, now go back to spreader, and as you can see, click on close. After it says here product added successfully, click on closed and then click on settings. Now as you can see, there are a lot of things here. If you click, for example, on default values, you will find a lot of things here, like product type. You can also check this I2 fill from Amazon, and vendor, like you can add tags. As you can see, the quantity is it should always be 3. Now the currency, I would like to change it to USA dollars. Okay, US dollars. And yeah, after that, after you change anything here, please make sure you click on save. Okay, now after that, you want to click on button. Now if you want people to see, instead of seeing here buy it now, if they click on buy it now, they can buy this product from you. Okay, that's clear. Okay, that's obvious. If they click on buy now, the products, they will be able to buy this from you. Okay, now if you want to only earn affiliate commissions, you need to, as you can see, enter the text to be displayed on the Amazon link button. Now if you change this to, for example, view on Amazon, okay, people will be able to see here where it says buy now, view on Amazon. I hope it makes sense. Now if they click on view on Amazon, it will take them directly to the product page on Amazon, and if they buy that product, you are going to earn a commission. Okay, now that's exactly how it works. Now if you want to dropship Amazon products inside your Shopify, you need to increase the price. If it's on Amazon, if the price on Amazon is like $20, you need to increase the price inside the Shopify store to let's say $300, okay? Because I'm sorry, $20, you need to increase it to $30, okay? Because you need to earn some money, okay? You can do that inside the Sprada app. After you click on Hero View on Amazon, click on Save, and if you click on Markup Pricing, you can always mark up the price, as you can see here. You can always mark up price, or you can just go to the product page on inside your Shopify and increase the price or mark up the price. Okay, if you don't understand anything, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, here where it says I to sync, you need to change this to update price on Amazon as per update price on Shopify as per Amazon. Now the second option, and here product goes out of stock, mark it as out of stock on Shopify. Okay, if it goes out of stock on Amazon, I don't need this product anymore. I need to mark it as out of stock automatically on inside my Shopify store, so that I don't have a problem with the customers. Okay, now here product discontinued or removed from Amazon, it should remove the product from Shopify too. Now after you select all these, make sure you click on Save, okay, and click on Apply to sync settings to existing products as well. Click on Save. All right, now as you can see here, guys, if you click, as you can see, it states, now that's exactly all you need to do, guys, to start to connect Amazon with Shopify. Now you can import as many products as you want. Always, if you want to import a product, click on Home, and you want to find a product on Amazon, like I said, and copy the URL of the product on Amazon, and you can click on Add Product, and it will be again imported to your own Shopify store. Now, like I said, Sprada app, if you guys don't understand anything, just search for Sprada, okay, app, and you will find a lot of information about the Sprada app. As you can see, it says here, partner with Amazon. Sprada, use Sprada to import products from Amazon to your online store. When users make a purchase, Amazon fulfills the order while you make money. Okay, now you can do a lot of research about this app. It's very cool. It's very good app, as you can see here. Import and sync products, Amazon product to Shopify in a few clicks. Earn Amazon Associates sale commissions when someone buys the product. Amazon manages shipping, returns, inventory, products that complement your brand or grow completely new categories to appeal to wide audiences. Now this is what I mean, guys, when I told you you can replace add to cart or buy button with view on Amazon button, or you can keep both. Now if you change this or replace this buy now button or add to cart button with view on Amazon, people will be able to complete the checkout, to complete the purchase inside the Amazon, not only inside your Shopify store. Now if you don't understand anything, just let me know in the comments, and make sure you drop a like and let me know in the comments any question you have. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. See you guys in the next video.